Okay, here in Unit 8 practice exercise, you have the opportunity to show your ability to visually analyze graphs. The directions say to take your practice, your newfound skills, go back to articles that we've already read, and then say things like, what do you see now that's different than what you saw before? Does the data appear to be as strong as when you first read it? And how might that affect treatment decisions? One of the issues some students have is they may say, I have had a lot of experience with visual analysis, therefore there's no difference between when I first read this article and now, and that's fine. But the purpose of this is to demonstrate that having skills in visual analysis does make a difference, and it can change treatment decisions. For instance, if I were to look at this, I can see, because I've got experience in visual analysis, that only here in this task condition do I see an elevated level of responding over time. That although attention alone did have some spikes here at the beginning, that they all dropped down to a low level along with play, and it was only this task that stayed at a significant level of responding. It would be different if I didn't have that experience, and if I just looked at this and I said, oh, I see attention has the highest data point here. Attention is the function of this behavior. Therefore, I'm going to write my intervention based on that knowledge. Okay, so that's what this assignment is looking at, that you can state using terms such as level, trend, and variability to inform decision making, and that your level of skill in visual analysis now will allow you to make an informed decision, and how perhaps a novice at reading graphs, or perhaps you before you had information, may have made a faulty decision, and that would affect the process of developing the intervention. So if you did read the graphs differently prior to this course, or prior to the information that you have in visual analysis, then you're going to be able to say, previously I saw it this way, now I see it this way, and that would affect decision making in such and so a way. If you already had experience, then perhaps you can say, I've had experience, I've always seen it this way, but someone who doesn't have the experience I have may have made this decision, which could have affected the treatment this way.